Hello. First of all, thank you for the invitation and the organization of this workshop. My name is Martin Fonck, and I am currently a doctoral candidate at the Rachel Carson Center for Environment and Society and the Institute of Social and Cultural Anthropology at the University of Munich. My research interests include ethnographic studies about environmental politics with a special focus on the production of evidence, infrastructures, the census, and visual culture. I have worked in Chile on environmental conservation projects in the Andes, protected forest, from a multi-species approach. In my current project, I changed the focus from surfaces to subterranean ecologies. Specifically, I am writing my doctoral dissertation based on ethnographic experience following geological exploration in the Andes and the production and imagination of geothermal phenomena as energy future. Particularly, I am interested in the visibility and the invisibility of underground water and thermal flows. Today, I want to talk about a specific teaching method, the environmental autobiography. The first time I heard about this method was from Mariana Arjona Suberon, my colleague and doctoral student at the RCC. Last year with Saskia Brill, also doctoral student at the RCC, we designed and taught the course Environment and Knowledge, an ethnographic exploration at the Institute of Social and Cultural Anthropology and at the Rachel Carson Center certificate program. We used this exercise to introduce an anthropological approach towards the environment. As a preparation for the exercise, during the first session of the course, we read the classical work of the historian William Cronon, Travel with Wilderness, and the student prepared critical notes about the text. We started the session with a brief talk introducing the environmental autobiography. I will read now how we framed the exercise. Everyone has a personal environmental biography. In this exercise, we want to invite you to write about a specific moment in your life in which you learn a specific piece of environmental knowledge. This can be a day in your grandmother's garden, a hike in the mountains, or a day out fishing. Put yourself into the position of a participant observer of that scene. Describe the place, the objects involved, and a specific image in your mind, a story that comes with that knowledge, and how it changed your perception of that environment. Maybe as jotting at first, that as a formulated text. Also make sure to distinguish between analysis and reflection. If you want, you are welcome to attach images that give the author an idea of the environment and the respective knowledge, as well as images of your handwritten field notes. Please open in Moodle a topic for your story and your name as a title. Everybody is invited to comment on others' entries. Dialogue is much appreciated. Implementing this method during the course last year, after the exercise was finished and published in Moodle, we had 1 hour discussion in Zoom. The students briefly present their exercise, reflecting on the difficulties and potentials of the exercise, to discuss the notion of environment. The exercise made us realize as a group that generally the sublime experience of nature are present in our biographies when we start talking about the environment and our interest regarding the environment. Nevertheless, describing our story is a way of paying attention also to changes and disruptions, helping to see nature in a less static ways. The environment is not a static concept. It is place-based and full of tensions between different temporalities, interruptions, historical context, and political positions. But at the same time, in Travel with Wilderness, Cronon recognized in his own life the experience of being in the presence of something profoundly non-human. This discussion inspired us to pay attention to how we tell stories and frame concepts to describe the environment. A way of starting this conversation can be made by exploring our own environmental stories. Thank you.